we have Mr. Leo Holm. Leo is joined tonight by his parents, James and Rebecca. Congratulations, guys. From the coaches, Leo is the definition of a student athlete. He is the only player who actually brought his books to practice to study for exams while he was out on the court. He always brought a great attitude and positivity to the team, whether he was on the court, on the bench, or keeping the book. And I just want to say, too, thank you very much, Leo, for jumping in on that. That was super helpful this year. You've been massive help for the entire team. From Leo himself, when Father first approached me about managing the basketball team, I really didn't want to. And when Mr. Ponder asked me to play for the team, I really didn't want to do that either. That being said, I did it. I did it to support my friends and my school, and I'm glad I did. My parents have shown a great deal of patience with me, and for that I am grateful. They also work hard for me and my siblings. They make great sacrifices for me, and I want them to know I am very grateful. Congratulations to you guys. Come on up here. I'd like to get some pictures. Congratulations to all the seniors this year. Thank you so much. It's been wonderful coaching you all. I wish you the best moving forward.